What's up, Cosmic Mojo? It's me, Zach, aka Skatebud. If you're out there in the streets, be safe, but also be you.
I'm out here at Central Florida Fairgrounds Skate Heritage Fair. Everyone is here to celebrate skateboarding. Basically just a little skate get together, but it's pretty cool. We got air conditioned building, obstacles, skaters, homies. Should be fun. Ryan, let me get a line, bro.
All right. I want to cook this thing.
Okay, so this part of the video is actually my first day at the Florida Skate Heritage Festival. It was a 3-day event, but the first day I missed, so the second day I was kind of just hyped to see the homies. But the second day I did get clips of the contest and reels and a bunch of other stuff, which was the last day of the event. So I'll be posting like YouTube shorts and vertical videos of that. But in this video, I'll definitely post some of the tricks that went down on like the benches that they had built for us. And also there was a longest ollie contest, which I think they gave like 150 bucks out for that. But as a whole, the event was really cool. We got to skate in the air conditioner. The point of this event was to bring attention to the heritage of skateboarding and, you know, the history and culture that we have and we share, and to bring light onto how positive that is.
Is this Sony A6000?
A7 III.
Oh, this is fire.
50 tray flip, Berkeley Winston, ollie over the way.
Okay. Maybe get evil.
Oh, there you go.
Got it. I felt a little flow state going.
Fuck yeah, bro.
Let's do a front lip.
Woo, the whole rail.
That's the key. I gotta do the whole thing. Shout out Cosmic Mojo, Mango waving in the building, Florida Skate Heritage Fair. That was a sick ollie. Mango Waving. I started in like 2016. I wanted to make boards originally, and then like I was making all these designs, and then met someone that kind of mentored me with screen printing. So I just turned into a brand. I like making stuff, putting it on, wearing it. One of my homies are wearing Mango Waving. I see where they're at. They take a photo of them traveling. It's like, it adds joy to your life. I got pulled up to Swamp Fest. I knew one kid, and I hung out with him, and I met all you guys. And like,
this is actually my thing. Right here, Keystone Clubhouse. I painted this. I made 101s, hand-painted boards, and sell them.
dude, how'd you paint them so well?
Stencil? I taped it off and
they look
cut it out, and then spray painted it. Took the tape off, spray painted it, covered half. And then this is Funk Shop.
Is that the shop in your town?
Yeah, it's pretty close to me. Day 2, Florida Skate Heritage Fair. Nobody's here yet, but a couple of homies are here. Carlos. Say, give me a line, brother, for YouTube. I just got done doing one. Laser Jello.
Nah, yeah, for sure. He's 20 years old.
I'm here with my man Ryan Funk from Funk's Board Shop in Deltona, Florida. That's where I get all my boards and threads. Make sure you guys go pay him a visit and support.
Hey, do you fix the grass in anything?
Yeah. Yeah, he's very meticulous about his grass. He likes it to be straight. He thinks it will help him skate better, but it doesn't make a difference. Double filmers? No, that's crazy.
Crook on bench and then 45
All right, guys. Let me get a line.
Let me get warmed up.
All right, go ahead.
I'm done. Come on.
No, he got, yeah, here, look.
Alright, so it's just 2 people. You and Marcus. That's it. We cut it down. We cut off the fat. I'm gonna give them 5 tries each. Only left with people that can jump 20 feet long. No, it's not 20 feet.
It's like 17.
Whatever you're running. Yeah, we're in the middle of stuff. You mind? Oh my.
Probably 20 feet at least. 18.
And 2 inches.
18 feet, 2 inches.
Alright, we're 18 feet long. That's 3 really tall people, 5 really short people. That's crazy. That's crazy. You guys got 3 tries each. Oh my god. Oh no! Yeah, watch your ankle.
Holy moly.
$150, 18 foot alley. 18-foot marker, he cleared it by half a foot. All right, Marcus. Grand victory corner.
If you could see this in person, this shit is monstrously big.
All right, one more try, and it's official. So, one more try. Where you at? One more try, right? Yeah, I know, bro. I think you run a marathon in this skateboard.
Come on, baby. Come on. Let's see what happens.
Boys, it wasn't in, huh? Oh, yeah.
Good shit, boy.
So first place Marcus, second place Mikey, that was sick.
Shout out Zach Moldoff for throwing this event. I think it's gonna bring skateboarders in Florida at least together in a way not a lot of other places have.